Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the videos useful, please subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we'll solve this problem using the concept of dot product. So as per the problem, find the value of P if vectors R and S are perpendicular to each other. So we are given that vectors R and S are perpendicular to each other. That means their dot product should be equal to 0. So that's our first step. Now we can sub in the given vectors R and S. Now we can do the dot product for these vectors. So we'll multiply their x components, y components, and z components. So the x components are P and P. The y components are P and -2. And the z components are 1 and -3. Now we can simplify this expression. P times P is P squared. And P times -2 is -2P. And 1 times -3 is -3. So we get a simple trinomial. So we have to solve this simple trinomial equation. And for that, we can use the factoring method. So we can factor this quadratic equation and we can use the sum and product rule. So we have to find two numbers whose sum is -2. The coefficient of the P term and the product is -3. So the two numbers whose sum is -2 and product is -3 are -3 and 1. Now we can use these numbers to write this equation in factored form. And now we can solve this equation by analyzing the two cases. So the first case is, and the second case is. So we have to solve for P. So in the first case, we should add 3 to both sides. So the 3's on the left side get cancelled out. So P equals 3 is the first solution for this equation. Now we can analyze the second case. So this is the second value of P. So the vectors R and S are perpendicular for two values of P, 3 and -1. So there are two solutions for the value of P. So this should be the final answer. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.